Are you a teen, standing on the edge of your future, looking at endless possibilities to grow a forest of wealth? In this video, we'll explore how to build wealth in your teens through 5 behavioral approaches that will help you start building the wealth you envision, beginning at your young age. And the income source approach to the same caption is in another video. Without taking time, we'll go to the first strategy. It is cultivating personal discipline through psychological management. Discipline is the cornerstone of financial success. However, it's easy to fall into habits that drain your wealth through impulse purchases. I understand the temptation. Starbucks coffee, the latest fashion trends, partying and traveling with friends, appealing as a teen. But consider this. If you spend $5 on coffee every day, that's over $1,800 a year. These small expenses add up quickly, often without you even realizing it. But if you can manage your mind to avoid them to some extent, that practice is invaluable and can be invested in more productive ways. Addictions like alcohol, drugs, and gambling also severe threats driving us to spend impulsively. These behaviors not only drain your finance, but also jeopardize your health, relationships, future opportunities, and self-esteem. Managing the psychological aspects of discipline can significantly enhance your wealth. The second strategy is investing in education to develop skills and knowledge. Take Ben Pasternak. He leverages his coding skills to create the app Flog and built significant wealth. By the age of 15, he was recognized as one of the youngest entrepreneurs to secure venture capital. Skills are assets that appreciate in value, whether it's coding, graphic design, or content creation. Developing these skills can create a steady income stream through monetization. Knowledge is also a powerful tool for building wealth. The more you learn about money, investing, and entrepreneurship, the better decisions you'll make. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, attributes much of his success to continuous learning and his habit of reading. To get started, delve into books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, 4 Investment Principles, and The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, 4 Entrepreneurial Strategies. Online courses and financial blogs can also may provide you a valuable insights. In third strategy is experimenting with entrepreneurship and outsourcing. In today's gig economy, easy access to entrepreneurship provides endless opportunities for teens to earn money. Whether it's starting a small business, freelancing, or pursuing side hustles, these experiences offer invaluable lessons in money management and business. Additionally, you're exploring your future professions that align with your desires, passions, and market demand, when enhancing your education and developing skills for your career. Further, it's crucial to recognize when and which tasks to be outsourced. When incomes you tighten with the targets and when some works are outside of your expertise. For example, Messiah Bridges, who started his bow tie business at age 9, outsourced certain tasks to focus on growing his brand. With platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, it's easier than ever to find freelancers to handle tasks outside your skill set. This approach not only boosts your productivity, but also allows you to focus on what you do best, maximizing your opportunities. The fourth strategy is building a resilient network of mentors and peers. Networking with mentors and like-minded peers can provide a vital guidance and accelerate your financial and personal growth. When building wealth, having a strong network is also crucial as same. For example, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, benefited from his connections with Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. Their guidance helped him navigate business challenges and scale Facebook to a global level. To build your network, consider joining local entrepreneurs groups, social media communities, business clubs, online forums. or community groups related to your interests. Simply joining these groups isn't enough. Unless, engage with them regularly, ask for advice, collaborate on projects, and be an active participant. This involvement can help you navigate challenges, offer new opportunities, and provide valuable feedback. The fifth strategy is leveraging technology for financial management and growth. In today's digital era, technology is a crucial tool for managing your finances effectively. Apps like Mint are freely available and help you track your spending and budget every expense, showing you where you can cut back. Investing apps like Robinhood make trading accessible with as little as $5 and with no commission fees, allowing you to start investing without a significant initial investment. By setting up automated transfers, you ensure that your savings and investments grow consistently, without having to manually manage every contribution. Regularly using these tools will keep you financially organized and informed, helping you build wealth steadily from a young age. Embrace technology to make your financial journey smoother and more efficient. This video has covered the behavioral approach to building wealth. Hope you stay tuned, as we'll be discussing how to build wealth in your teens by the income source approach in an upcoming video. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you.